In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. And to go back to standard keyboard, this arrow at the top left corner. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And then to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on your sentence over here. If you want to pin one of those sentences, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Lastly, if you wish to delete one of those sentences, use the pen again. Tap on the one that you wish to get rid of and hit pin icon. If you want to turn off Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!